This is Peter from Jantersand Studio. Hope you started your day well. Today we start journey into your freelancing career. This is an introduction tutorial and will be taking you through freelancing as a career or side hustle, giving you tips and trick on how you can earn money straight from your comfort. Remember to subscribe, smash that notification bell, like and share. Invite your friends to also learn along. We will do practical application of our skills on various freelancing sites. Keep it here for more. What is freelancing? Freelancing is working independently at your own pace without supervision. A client contracts you to do some task for them, then they pay you in return. You define your terms of work and the client defines their terms of engagement. When you reach an agreement, you enter into a contract. You fulfill this by completing the contract for the client to pay you. For example, a client wants a website to be developed, a logo to be done, account entries to be captured, and more. Having this skill, you offer yourself to assist at a certain fee. You either look for this client online or the client comes looking for skills and finds you. You exchange messages and agree on terms of reference. A contract is entered allowing you to start working. After the contract is fulfilled, the client pays you through the agreed mode of payment and agreed on amount. Platforms for freelancing. 1. Fiverr. This is one of the best sites made with freelancers in mind. You register an account and provide your skills. You create gigs or services that you wish to sell to clients. Clients looking for similar services will then buy the services from you. You start by creating a gig, the client will then send a message. After the agreement, the client will then place an order. This, however, depends on instructions you give on your gigs. Some clients will send orders and wait for you to deliver. Once satisfied, they will then close the order and you get paid for your services. 2. Upwork. This is designed with the client in mind. The client will post services they need from you. You will register and look for a service that you can be able to deliver. You then send a proposal and wait for the client to invite you for an interview. If you are lucky, you will then be assigned the task. Once you complete and hand over, the client will then release your payment. They recently introduced projects whereas freelancers can create projects. The client will buy your project if they are looking for similar services. 3. People per hour. You register an account and place the services you are offering. Clients will then place orders if they are looking for such. Once completed, the client will then release your payment. You can also search for projects and place your proposal. 4. Freelancer. 5. Guru. 6. TopTal. 7. Behance. 8. 99 Design. I will walk you through the freelancing sites and guide you through. All you need to give back is your dedication and a heart that is willing to help another person learn like you. You are free to share with friends they join in this journey. How do you start with Fiverr? As an individual, there are those skills you possess either you have qualified or are naturally in you. The first step is to identify what areas you can be able to work in. If you don't have skills, you can always learn online and create your portfolio which you can showcase. Then you visit the freelancing site or advertise yourself on your social media accounts. You create an account and highlight your skills and your terms of reference. You then search for jobs you can do or wait for the client to request for your services. You then enter into a mutual agreement with the client to start working. Once you complete your job, you send it to a client who in turn will pay you. Every platform has its rules that need to be followed to protect you and the client. Internet is full of scammers. Be aware of this as you venture into freelancing. Where can I learn skills? You can learn skills from various sites. Fiverr offers learning materials to guide you through various skill sets. As example, if you look at Fiverr Learning Center, you can learn all these skills. You can also learn from other online sites like Udemy which offers all these skills. YouTube where you can get video tutorials among many other sites. You can also buy learning material from sites like Amazon. List is endless. If you Google tutorials for any skill, you will get tons and tons of tutorials. Check for some of the tutorial links I can personally recommend and which I have used before to sharpen my skills. I will also be sharing in each video a link to learning material that can help you grow your career. What next? This was just an introduction video. We will go through both simple and technical or difficult tasks. You will learn the skill set and how to create gig and deliver to client. Subscribe and share with your friends to also help them learn. Also check in the description for link to my website where you can get more details. You can also support us with any of the links in the description. My tutorials will be practical based so that we learn as much as we can and apply in practice. Stay tuned.